McPherson.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 12 Carbeen Drive in Taranganba.
This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, low-set brick is situated on an acre of land in the heart of Taranganba. It also includes side access to the 2-bay shed and has so much to offer.
Come on in and take a look.
I absolutely love that when you walk into this property, it truly feels like home. But my absolute favourite feature has to be the patios running front and back of the property.
So guys, that was 12 Carbeen Drive in Taranganba. If you're looking for that property with space, privacy, close to town, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.